In this video, I want to show you how to screen mirror the screen of your iPhone 17 using Wi-Fi to your TV. So let's get started right away. First thing you need to know is that the iPhone and the TV needs to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network. Once this is done, all you have to do is, depending which TV you have, you may have to turn on a feature that is called AirPlay. You're going to drag down from the top right corner, and you need to see this icon over here. It's like two rectangles, one on top of each other. If you do not see it, don't worry. You just need to click on the plus icon here, add control, and in the search control, tap here and type screen. And right away, after typing screen, you should see screen mirroring. Tap on it, and you're going to have the icon that you need. Okay, so I'll tap on that, and it will search for all the TVs that have AirPlay that are connected to the same network as your iPhone. This is my only TV that is capable of, that is currently turned on. So this is why I'm seeing LG, WebOS, whatever. So I'll tap on it, and usually under a few seconds, you should get a code on the display of your TV, 0494. This is my code. Don't copy it. It will not work. You absolutely need to copy the code that is on your TV and type it over here on your phone. Press OK. And here we go. It's now connected. Now, depending of how fast is your Wi-Fi at home, you may have some lag. As you see here, there is a slight lag, not that bad, honestly, but I don't even have a very fast connection. At home, maybe your internet connection is faster than mine, and you may not even notice a lag. This really depends on your router and also your network. So from here, you can do anything. I mean, you can go on the web, any apps, you can go in landscape mode, so it takes most of the screen of your TV, and do whatever you want. Another thing I want to show you, so if you're going into the photos, and let me just turn around over here, and you zoom in, okay, you'll be able, you see, to fill the whole screen of your TV. Same thing with video, you'll be able to zoom in completely, and I think it's great since you're able to take all the real estate of your TV. Once you're done screen mirroring, all you have to do on your iPhone is to go back on the top right corner and then click the same icon you clicked before, tap on your TV, and this is about it. It has disconnected from the TV, and that's about it. Now, if you have multiple TVs connected to your Wi-Fi network and you don't know which one is, for example, the one you have in front of you, you simply have to go into the AirPlay settings of your TV, and the name of the TV will be written right over here. So you know exactly on which one to connect. But overall, this is it. If this video was helpful, take a moment, subscribe, like, comment, but also check my links in the description if you want to get, for example, a case for your iPhone 17 or many other accessories. I have put links down below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.